First is to tap on your settings app. Once your settings app opens, scroll until you get to camera. Okay, locate this camera settings and tap on that. And now you can see the settings I have in this camera, and you can see the section named formats. All right, tap there. Now you can see in formats, high efficiency is selected. Tap on most compatible. Okay, so you can see I have tap on most compatible. It said to reduce file size, capture photos and videos in high efficiency format. Most compatible will always be JPEG. Alright, so we have changed this to JPEG. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. Okay, so subscribe to learn more like this. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any question. Just ask me, okay? And hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.